Kublai pi baro syakatup Khuborjylla ke donbosco media network. Kimat ki bakongsan mentaka sengi kilong. Lap kirawan ya ka siing brew hawa yausir. Nakayeng bala aiwai syaki arngut kendang ka KSU laban kat sangut ki Bharat. Kaktiin khasi kan sadu jaj ladak rentang ki temen bat ki kemi ki pa. Ban ka Bhaitbari CHC ke dek hospital babun kamtam ha ka Jylla laong UMLA ka Raja Bala. Bat mentang ni apai ki Khubor ki bakam nia. Ki pulit kanong po menta kasngi ar pusau tarik Rymphang kila yo jing tip bala lap ki siing sudah bala sakut hajrong mau syarum jong ka wa yausir hari boy distrik. Kabala su baru ba kala bandai jong wei urang ba brew ubala ja arngai ubala hap na kajingking hayausir hapo kate ka wa nadu ka arpuh nyau tarik naitung ar hajar arpusan ha kajan mit jong ka sngi ublei ba utei urang ba bala tip kerteng kum uba ebi nong shli na kasnong tasor mau dekhar udang songkai bat ki paralok hajrong jong ka jingking ka badon hayausir. Hendrai kensan ulahap na jerong ka jingking hakaba ulah syarong no haka umba hakaba menta lakot syaka prabanai bala lap setang kisiing sudah bagi pulit kidang penlong ya kajing tokit. Kani kajing lap setang ya kisiing bala suba bakala bandai kan met jong te urang ba lalap ningkong de kinong khwaido bat kila pentip syaki bahayeng hasem bat syaka snong. Bat menta ka step ar pusau tarik Rymphang pan ki bahayeng kila wan ban pentip no syaki pulit na ka benta ban leto kit ya kite kisiing. Katkum ka Khubor balayo lum jingtip laong bakite kisiing brew lalap syarum jong kate kawa hakabala suba bakide kisiing jong te urang ba bat wat lakat taru kimpat la ban penti kena pura hakaba ki bahayeng hasem kila kerpa de ki bor pulit ban le da ka DNA test kenang ban tip pura. Ki pulit kenong po kidang hiar syakate ka jaka rengkat ki bahayeng hasem na ka benta bentok kit benia badru ban netam me kite kisiing bala sakut hateng kap mau bala lap ningkong de kinong khwaido kenang ban le kat kum ki kendon jong ka an.
Không ai vô đây. Ông rất là khen. Nó học phi.
Nado bay sedang banham nado bay midai yeng da ba nyau tarik benai ba nyau imi porstem te ikleman jing syu te hadin riu lai pandai minit te ngayo Khubor na ki sedang na Marten ki perlok jong ki tem phone dai rak rasanga ki phone bersaki beriu kita don hasnong te ki ai jing tip yanga te hadin kata ngala kol ki te ki ong bau lahap din katapan ndang ala yo jing tip kabati kena be laham dengan kolnya rang ba Shillong tengila ponya kene ka jaka tingi ponya kene ka jaka ro muslim hina marba ndriu la kondai minit ngadang jo benya keren bat i te haduna ngila poyang ne te kating don jong i na duk pasdang hi na duk kamit sajan ipun i paralok jong i ong ba ban kai sene te akatu kamit badan lang mga ri ang la size ni blay tangan lang ra tadin pasta pat ki pun biang ngam don su ayeng te ilami kinayeng te ngayo jing tipat ngayo na ki paralok kinasna lagi beriu nasna ini ki paralok jong uro isep ajeng tip laira kira sanga ki pun ni ki beriu badan haslang te kita ki beriu pat ki pun pat sanga te ibalap ya kata kasing sini sawa ro de ki beriu ki banas nong hi te ki pun yanga ki ong yo tip kadai na kamdai te ngalah palit update palit page itai para ila ang bala dari sisai ko umbreu tang ba timpala kan bantit ndala sai stem tengila agi ila ajin tip sikipulit tendala wan dipulit kan ila jo ban page kata kasing tendang page akan ni kasing itu ya kacan itu kijan kidai kijong ulok jongai gitu kijan
Ayo bersak sini tu.
ilok jongai kateng ebi nong sili sa dasar lok kan
Haka arfulai tarik Rymphang arhajar arku hendriu. Janmit, ka KSU Laban Circle kelalap bat eki khat sangut ki briu ki bamde ki trai Jylla ki bade ki Muslim. Ki balasa bean klem ki kot kisla ki babiang, bat klem ka jing tip lani ka jing menjur jong ka dor barsnong. Kini ki Muslim ki lawan shani ban yo bala bat kisa haka we ka yeng wai baar kamera halaban. Kat kum ka jinglum jingtip na kalyang ka seng ya kani ka yeng wai bala ai shaki arngut ki breu ki bam shem la sa shu hakani ka yeng haki benai bala dep bat kini pat ki ai pateng hakini ki khat sangut ban shong be an klem jingtip jong ki trai ni yo jingbit na ka shnong na kalyang ka seng kala kendang mardor ya kani ka yeng bat pen mi lut ya baro kini ki khat sangut bawan buhai shnong shani bat pen kit ya kini ki kar Muslim da ka kali sha asam kaseng lengba kani ka kerwo ka kwa ban pen ken mau biang sashisin ya baro bakat kum ka jingelang bala shong da kaseng bat baro nyau teli ki dor bar shnong bakan thup hapo karat laban dor bar pelun bat dor bar shnong lau sotun harangkat ka jingedan lang ki pulit jong ka thanat laban haka santarik unai lur arhajar arkusan kala shim ya karai banum sha shu ekibar Jylla ban yo wai hapo kini ki dor bar shnong klem da yo jingbit bat klem ka jingpen scam na ki dor bar shnong kaseng kala maham jur baki trai yeng ki dei ban buram ya kani karai bat kimbit ban le persha da ka ba ai wai ya ka yeng ka jongki shaki bar Jylla lada lap nang ni shakmat ki trai yeng ken hab ban bakli hi ya ka e ka ban saja lada kidang yai ai yeng ki bar Jylla hapo upur usam jong kini ki pratali ki dor bar shnong
जन्म
अब हम
जन्म लास्ट उसका पास ऑफ हाँ देर में
ka khasi department Shillong college haka arhusau tarik Rymphang kala rakhe ya ka tin nongmei salon sar ka ba haka tin pareng latip kum ka International Mother Language Day bala penlong ha auditorium hall Shillong college ya ka ne ka International Mother Language Day la jurakhe man usnam haka arphawei tarik Rymphang ban penne pensa ban kentiu bat ban yada ya ki tin baki briu haka perthai ki kran kapang pedeng baka UNESCO kabu menta usnam kadai Youth Voices on Multilingual Education. Henry ka khasi department Shillong College kala penkenria no shaka arkusau tarik Rymphang namar baka jingklat no jong MP ka Lok Sabha Shillong u Dr. Ricky AJ Singkon. Hakani ka sngi la yo ekijing pensyai bakam benya na kiri Shampang da i Dr. AW Rani bat ikong Dr. B Karim. Haba ai jingkran u Dr. AW Rani u laong ba kaktian khasi menta kala don ha ulan jong jingma namar ki khasi kim ju pendan kam shu ban kran ya kaktian lajong lada ya kaktian khasi la pendan kam ban kran tang da kitemen la tikna ba kaktian khasi kan saja ba du jat sendon u laong shu u laong ba kaktian khasi hadu menta kam shemde kaktian sarkar ne ka official language da ka ba pen maru ba haus nam arhajar san la pen bena ya kaktian khasi kum ka associate official language jong ka sarkar henry hadu menta pat kampat de kaktian sarkar ba pura kumta ula kentu ya baro ki samla ba ki de ban sarong ban kran ya la ka jong kaktian namar lada im kaktian ka im ka jai ben riu baro ka we bat ka de ka kamram jongi ban le ya kata layo shu e jing pensyai ka ba kambanya na ka kong Dr. B Karim halor ka tin nong mei salon sar Hakani kasngi ka khasi department Shillong College kalapan kuburom ru ya ka Samla Latisha yau pnyau ka bahe marks haka subject khasi jong usnam arhajar arpuar mat arpusan.
Tham tam kha ka bedai bat Khubor sarkar te kita ki dei ki jingma ki baap ekaktin ki ba bon gine ki vulnerabilities ki baap ekaktin tarkum ka jing batai jong UNESCO te khanang banang penslam ha kan ko ngen ya sorjamen ye kaktin khasi jongi menta hato kaktin khasi kalong vulnerable na hato kaktin khasi kadon jingma na haga jimpai kabarit jonga ngamde linguist ngamde grammarian ngamde ustad ujha de kaktin khasi ngadai tang uri upai ba kum mapi tena ke jingi I barit jonga wala ngampan da research ngamdon data ngamdon ke jingtip ka bati kana tenre na ke jingi I look lihat jonga kumuri upai ba ngayu I ba kaktin khasi ru kadon ni gini jingma tunginya sedang nang tene jero kaktin khasi kum bakalong hadu manta kamdai kaktin sarkar kamdai ka official language hagasnem arhajarsan lapan banai kaktin khasi kum ka associate official language ka sarkar tenre hadu menta kampat dei kaktin sarkar ka bapura ane ka official language te kamdai ka official language kamdai kaktin sarkar kabar namar ba kamdai kaktin sarkar kim pendon kam ya ka haki jingtrei haki office jong ka sarkar lani haka administration ha legislative assembly ne haka yeng dor parthauan kim keren ni kaktin khasi ha secretariat ki files kim tho kaktin khasi wala kadai ka associate official language ru kamdon kumbolong kaktin hindi kaktin pareng sisi-sikhar ka ba kaktin hindi kaya nakmat kaktin pareng kaya nadien lani kaktin pareng kaya nakmat kaktin hindi ka kasenrop lang kini hangi kampat long kumta kabalai what district council kabadai ka yeng ban penne pensa na kapenta kareti ka dustur ka kultur jani khun khasiru ngai wat lagi jinga keren ke laya kaktin khasi ka dorbar penya kaktin khasi tenre ki an ki kanun ki betan district council hakine ki artli ki district council ki jongi khasi bajan chehel sunga I ki dang bon hi kaktin pharen ngai I ki dang don hi kaktin pharen kabasau kajingmi jong kini ki school ka bangi ong ki school phareng ki English medium schools lakalong hangni hanong ba Shillong bat kumjuru sa kinong gondong ngai ba kaktin khasi kala asdangja ban liwat ya kaktin khasi ya ka subject khasi ya kini ki school la khamsuk bawa ni dinosaur nama kala ja kaktin khasi ngam ong bangi persya te ya kaktin phareng ngam ong bangi persya ya kaktin hindi la nagi nagi pat ke kaktin ngam persya nim persya ya kata te kajing don pi kajing hikai ya kaktin khasi bat kajing hikai da kaktin khasi kadon kajing ya phe ban pelong ya kaktin khasi kum ka medium of instruction la ne ka lingua franca ka de ka wei ka subject handrai ban hikai ya ka kum ka wei ni ka subject kadai kata kan ka phanga bangi ha pene keren wat lagi dei ki English medium school ru ka ji so thu jonga haba ki trei haba ki hikai han ne ha kari khasi jongi ki dei ban hikai ya kaktin khasi tam dei ban ja ka subject khasi kata ka dei ka subject ka bang babunong tikine kita gidak jingma ki basdang ban rung ha ka jai ban ri ko jongi lara kala ja na ka yeng dor bar thauan na kamdon ha ka jinga trei kam ha ka administration lara kala sedang ja na ki school jongi kini kita kidak jengma ki bala sedang ban wan rung ban ke tau yari kaktin ka jongi pai ha ka bede ba ka jing khre haulang ni kaktin jongi tementa kini ki khna khasi jongi ki rangba kumju ki khna samla kumju mde ban keno you know ngila ya pendon kam ye kini ki kaktin ya khle haulang ki ba ya pendon kam lang ya kaktin khasi ba kaktin English ke beki ong ya ka khalish kia pendon kam ya kaktin khasi ba kaktin hindi ya kini habong ka khadi ngidon ka khalish ngidon ka khadi ngidon ka khadu ngidon kiski kha ki balai hujat loda kini ki kha ki wantur kan kala khapot kan kaktin
UMLA ka Rajabala constituency Dr. Mizanur Kazi ulaong baga Bhaitbari CHC kadai ka wei na ki hospital ka babon kamtam haka Jylla namar ki ba wan bansha sumar ki dei nadu ki ba shitom hadu ki ba armet mat kumju ki ba wan khakun yakani ulapan pau hadin ba menteri ketenat ka kuat ka khia ba wailat miki Shilla ulapan tip batang kinong pangru ki poi palat pau hajar haka shisnem bat ki ba wan khakun ki poi bet da ki spa bat ka kodru syakashi hajar ngutam
24-25 is 1,028. 2025-26 it's 868. C, sir. Sir, the total number of pregnant women referred to the higher center due to complication during the year 2023-24 is 118. 2024-25, 127. 2025-26 is 186. D, sir. Sir, the measure being implemented to improve maternal and child health care services at Bhaitbari CHC are as follows. Antenatal care services. Early registration of pregnant women within 12 weeks. Minimum 4 antenatal checkup. Regular physical examination. Laboratory testing, free of cost. TD vaccination. Nutritional counseling. Screening for high-risk condition. Providing iron and folic acid supplement. Once a free ultrasound for all pregnant women and promotion of institutional deliveries, ensuring deliveries are conducted by trained doctors and nurses and provided emergency obstetric care. Postnatal care, postnatal delivery checkups, breastfeeding support, KMC and family planning counseling. Third, identification and management of high-risk pregnancies, screening for high-risk conditions, daily tracking of all due pregnant women 14 days prior to expected date of delivery. Fourth, PMSMA, Pradhan Mantri Surakshit Matriva Abhiyan, fixed day antenatal care services 9 of every month, including diagnostic tests and doctor consultation. Fifth, CMSMS, Chief Minister Safe Motherhood Scheme, providing transit home for high-risk pregnant women, free stay and provide free diet for pregnant women and her attendants till delivery from CMSMS. Six, free transportation of pregnant women and infant carrying from home to facility before delivery and dropping from facility to home after delivery through CMSMS. 7, free referral to higher facility of pregnant women and infant to higher facility by using CMSMS vehicle. 8, NBSU, Newborn Civilization Unit. We have separate NBSU to manage sick babies and neonates. 9, provision of all essentials required for mother and baby is free of cost. 10, we have separate KMC, kangaroo care mother room and breastfeeding room, sir.
Your supplementary.
Mr. Speaker, sir, through you, first of all, I would like to thank the Honorable Minister in charge for his exhaustive reply. The idea behind bringing in this question is, as we can see the data, it's one of the
Umentri Katanat Puli Puthi ke Sarkar Jylla ba Lakman Rumbui ula pentip hayeng dorbar bagi kena puli ki ba penyaso bat ka Bharat Scouts and Guides ki yo shibun ki jing mentoy namar ki yo ban lech ki wei pat ki district ki wei pat ki Jylla ba wat shabar Jylla bat shabari ru kumju ban yo ya ki jing tip ki ba kim yo satya haki kamra kelas ya kani umentri ula jubab halor ka jingkli ba wanra da UMLA ka mau kerwat ba Renekton lingdo tongkar.
B. Sir, no, the service rule for employee have been drafted and is in the process of vetting and approval. C. Sir, students who are enrolled with Bharat Scout and Guides gets exposure in district, state, regional, national and international level featuring various topics not learned in school. For example, mapping, pioneer camp crafting, extra. Sir.
Your supplementary question.
Thank you, sir. I want to understand from the Honorable Minister who had replied, and thank you for the reply that he has made. We understand that there is no service rule as of today under Bharat Scout and Guide since the draft is drafted, but process for vetting and approval is still awaited. So, sir, whether the staff working there, it's a contractual or regular?
Sir, the staff working there is being recruited by the Bharat Scout organization, sir.
So, sir, it's regular, means regular staff? I want to understand whether it's regular or contractual, sir.
So the government provide them the grant and they recruit the staff for the need of the Bharat Scout and Guides.
Sir, at C, I'm very happy to see that so many benefits students can get to enroll under Bharat Scout and Guide. May I know from the Honorable Minister whether there is a limitation on numbers of students that can be enrolled under Bharat Scout and Guide district-wise? Whether is there any limitation on the numbers of enrollments?
As far as enrollment is concerned, there is no restriction on the Bharat Scout and Guides.
Okay, one more thing, sir. I want to get the clarity from the government, from the Honorable Minister. Whether the student enrolled under Bharat Scout and Guide, they get any additional marks in the police recruitment?
Sir, the Bharat Scout and Guides, sir, those who have get the President Medal, they have a construction in the higher studies, sir. For example, in the qualification in need extra. But regarding the mark in the police department, I didn't have a record with me. I require notice.
Okay, thank you. Otherwise, it's very good in case the student can get additional marks. I think it will be an encouragement for the student to enroll. Sir, my last question, whether the Bharat Scout and Guide
Namar ka jingkar par jang MLA ka maulai ba bright starwell marbanyang Menteri Ketenat PHE ke Sorkar Jylla Marcus and Marak ulakular hayeng dorbar ban sapate sikitelong ki badan hajan ka jaka thenyut Marten. Kani ka jingkular jang ka de hadien ka jingkeli balawanra dau MLA ka maulai. La kaladon ni em ka jingwat benia ya ka jing syakta kitelong badan hajan na ka jingjar ka jabo na Marten.
And to you, I would like to seek a supplementary question with regards to the question that the principal question that I've put before the Honorable PHE Minister. The principal question that was asked is based on the Marten landfill, where I've asked the Minister concerned whether any scientific study has been conducted to assess the extent of groundwater contamination due to leachate from Marten landfill affecting water source in the adjoining areas. And I'm surprised, sir, from the reply of the Honorable Minister, where there has been no scientific study no scientific study has been done as far as the contamination of the water source near Marten landfill. As we are aware, sir, that the Marten landfill, it was there since 1930. And of late, the Marten landfill has reached a capacity where it cannot accommodate any more waste. And I would like to remind each and every one of us here that near the Marten landfill, there are few water sources which the local residents within 3 to 5 kilometer radius, especially during the winter, we used to go and fetch water from these water sources. And of late, what I found out is that the local residents don't go and fetch water from these water sources because they fear. Because we have seen that there has been contamination, there have been leakages from the Marten landfill. So I would like to know from the Honorable Minister whether he will consider to constitute or to conduct a scientific study so as to understand the nature of these water sources near the landfill.
Normally, sir, the groundwater studies are done by the Central Groundwater Board, is the nodal agency for scientific study and assessment and monitoring of ground resources, including contamination in the state, sir. However, sir, As per my record, there is no water sources from the PHE department. As far as PHE department is concerned, we don't have any sources there. But since honorable member is insisting that, I'll get it examined, sir.
I would like to thank the Honorable Minister for the reply. Yes, yeah, I've mentioned that, yes, it does not belong to the PHE department, but there is a water source where since time immemorial.
Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Konrad ke Sangma ulaong ba ka jing penkre menta ya ka DPR kadang yat nak benta bandono ya ka College of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry ha ka Jylla. Haba juba bhalor ka jingkili balawanra da ka MLA jaga gam begre Dr. Mehtab Chandi e Sangma Menteri Rangba ulaong ba ka kam kalayat shat-shan bat ki khmi lenti ba kanung shempor slamshu.
The cabinet then had decided, so I don't have the exact date, but I remember the year 2022, the cabinet had decided that we should have a college for veterinary, 1, a college for fishery, 2, and a college for dairy. So these were the 3 colleges which we had decided in the cabinet that we should have these particular colleges because of the urgent need that is there and also keeping in mind that the large population of our state is involved in livestock rearing.
I thank the Minister again for the reply through you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Another supplementary question. Sir, do we have any veterinary training centers, and if so, how many and their names?
Sir, there are veterinary training centers in the state. I do not have the exact number with me of how many there are and exact locations, but definitely, sir, there are the training centers in different parts of the state, sir.
Sir, I also want to know if it is a fact that today, veterinary department, we can see that the availability of manpower in these centers is very rare. As I have repeatedly got complaints from my constituency who practice a lot of livestock rearing, and many of our rural populace is dependent on the livestock economy. So, sir, I want to know if these centers are functioning properly.
Sir, the principal question is mainly about the college that is to was proposed to come out. So therefore, of course, this is a related subject, but it is not directly as part of the primary question, the principal question. But sir, we are aware of the manpower shortage that is there, and it is definitely a matter of concern. In fact, we have been discussing about this particular issue, and yes, sir, the steps are being taken for us to ensure that the different manpower requirements and the shortages that are there should be filled up at the earliest. But as I said, sir, this is not part of the principal question directly. Therefore, I don't have the exact details of how many manpower shortage and what is the process right now. But definitely, sir, this is a serious matter, and we will ensure that the different requirements and manpower that is there and the vacancies that are there are filled up at the earliest.
Sir,
Badak itu ki Khubor nglapoy siya kabakod terhadap bangindaya Syambiang Khuborjylla.